Hey everyone, it's Emily here and welcome back to my channel. Today is our second day at Wyoming Jackson Hole Lodge Adventure. So please stay tuned and get connected to It's Emily para kayo ay updated sa mga susunod kong vlog. I'm going to tour you around Jackson Hole, Wyoming. This is our lodge, this is our resort. And as you can see, it's so amazing here. I love it. So far, I love it. All right. We are heading to Yellowstone National Park. We're going to see and catch wild animals, hopefully. And the driving hours would be 1.5 hours, I suppose.
So we are at the south entrance right here. We're going to continue up this road here. All right. I think this is closed or this section is closed. I'll ask when we get up there. But we want to definitely come over this way to see Old Faithful, Firehole Lake Drive.
What else?
There's a whole bunch of stuff to see. Okay.
Allergy, go away.
Good morning, sir.
How you doing? Oh, yes, please.
There you go. Have a great day.
Thank you. Gotta pay attention.
So we are entering at the Yellowstone now. Bear might be awake, so let us keep quiet.
Got the wheel.
Baby, no!
Got the wheel.
What the fuck?
Because you gotta learn to help out sometimes, man. I mean, if you can't drive from that seat,
And you're just, oh my god!
I'm gonna let you wreck us if you wreck us. Not you messing around with your camera, all right? I expect you to see you reaching over here going, I'll steer us.
You should tell me.
I should. Every time that you're recording when you should be taking care of business, I'll be saying that a lot. I'll be praising you for it.
Yeah. So what is this place now?
This is on the way to I think it's the Great Circle, the Grand Circle, or Circle Drive, something like that. But there's this circle that Old Faithful's on, and
Old Faithful.
Old Faithful is the geyser. Anyway,
Geyser.
the circle is the most traveled circle in the entire park. So.
Okay. I burp. Hey baby, look.
Hi baby. Step away from the cliff.
the Lake Lewis, it says Lewis. Beautiful, and the water is so clean. Wow.
It's full.
Mhm. So we're driving. I'll keep driving until we reach the destination, the Yellowstone National Park. And there's just a lot of things to see here. Beautiful nature. So fresh. And I am here.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Alis na daw kami.
You stop recording?
West Stone Basin Geyser.
West Thumb.
West Thumb. West Thumb.
You gotta stop putting the camera in front of you. She doesn't like to take pictures of me. Did you even get the bubbling?
So this is what we called West Thumb Basin Geyser. Did you see that bubbling water? Is that hot?
That's water that's been heated by the volcano. It's under the ground that you're standing in. So the heat and the volcanic gas is what you see bubbling up to the top.
I see.
That water could be 180 degrees, maybe more.
All right, let's go.
Get all the flesh right off you.
Sure.
Did you want to walk around this or?
Yeah, over there. I mean, I can bring my bag and you can film me going there.
She's offered to take my pictures.
I'll take a picture with you, I
You're just
promise.
saying it because you want me to hold the camera. You didn't say,
We'll
"Baby,
take a
you're
picture."
beautiful, I want to take a picture of you. No.
I even wanted a video with you, not just a
Did
picture.
not. Post your pictures. You know you can't post that.
Come on.
It's too much to ask now. Is it too much? Maybe just once you're like, hey, I want to take your picture.
Give me your phone. I'll take a picture on you.
It's got to be on
Over
my phone,
there.
you know. I didn't know that was it.
There.
This is a photo spot right here.
Okay.
Let's go take a look. Twin Geyser.
This is Twin Geyser. Geyser. Okay, baby. Oh, no. that spot is the perfect for a picture.
Take my picture here.
Okay, give me my phone. Give me your phone. Give me your phone, please. I'm not gonna stop this.
I'm sorry, baby. It's just not so important to me. You have to do it with your phone.
Okay.
And I'm only going to half-heartedly do this. I probably won't even be able to actually see you.
1, 2, 3, say cheese. I like this. Your belly. Okay. Let's get us a selfie, baby. Oh, I want the selfie there.
Oh, this is a
Where
good
it
picture,
says-
baby.
Yeah,
This
I
is a good
always take.
picture.
Yeah, I always take a good picture.
That's not a good picture. So it's like before,
Yeah.
after. Before, after. Come on, baby.
This is a whole series. You like it like that?